Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the euro dollar, I still think this is likely the end of a wave C right here, the end of a wave B. My first target, if it's a running ABC correction, would be the 100% fib right around the 1.146, 1.148 area. But if it's an expanding flat, then it actually will go down and take out structure and go much, much lower than that. I think this is a one. I think this is a two. I think we're currently in a three. It can definitely go up a little bit, but as long as it doesn't break structure, it is definitely still a downtrend on this time frame. So, anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I would put my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. If this is going to continue to trend, then this move up should just be a pullback to this move down, meaning that it would likely make some sort of a three-way pullback to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, and then you would likely get another continuation of the downtrend, especially if this really is a wave three. Wave threes are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, so don't be surprised if you just get, 38, 50% pullbacks, and then it just keeps on trending down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.